sounds that fire alarm. Sam is always cool and calm. If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, 'cause he's gotta save the day. Fireman Sam, 'cause he's brave to the core. Sam is the hero next door.
Thanks for inviting me, Big Sis. I'm really looking forward to my first fireworks night in Pontypandy.
Well, this year is extra exciting. We've got one big public display in the park.
And one right here, courtesy of the firework king himself, Joe Sparks.
Oh, here they come.
Behold, the Pyrotechnic Launch Module 2000.
Wow, look at all those fireworks.
It's all fully Bluetoothed, and this is the firing mechanism.
OK, Dad. You need to get it set up. Stop talking and get going.
Don't rush me, Hannah. Creating a spectacular firework display takes time.
How much time?
About an hour.
Ooh, in that case, I'll get out me barbecue. Stay there.
But will we still have enough time to get to the public display?
I hope so. I was promised 2 firework displays tonight.
I really hope my dad gets a move on.
Fireworks can be very loud and take you by surprise. So, remember to stand back from them at all times.
And if you don't like the bangs and flashes, you should stay indoors.
So maybe that's where you should be tonight. Indoors.
Don't worry, Uncle Sam. We'll make sure they stay inside.
We're really good with animals. Come on, Nipper. Nipper, come back!
Lion!
I don't think we caught them, Uncle Sam.
No, James. I don't think we did.
These hot dogs are nice and, crispy.
Don't you worry your heads. There's more where they came from. Skiddly-boo-boo, skiddly-boo, woo-woo. Skiddly-boo, skiddly-boo.
Now, does tube A slot into tube B, or does B slot into D?
Dad, it's been well over an hour. If we don't start soon, everyone's going to miss the public display.
I'm nearly there. Just another half an hour or so.
Well, in that case, second helpings, everyone. Plenty to go round.
Please get your dad to hurry up. I can't eat any more burnt hot dogs. My mouth tastes like charcoal.
Oh, get a move on.
That was fun.
Not sure I'd call it fun, Sarah.
But at least we got them indoors now. They'll be safe from all the bangs and flashes.
Now, I'd better head back to the station.
And don't worry, Uncle Sam. We'll make sure we keep the pets in tonight. Oh, Nipper! Oh! Those two definitely need to be kept indoors and in separate rooms.
Now, is it the Thumping Jupiter or the Sky Burner that goes in Super Shoot 7?
It doesn't matter what they're called, Dad. Just set them off.
Just another 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Please get your dad to hurry up. We promised Uncle Malcolm we'd go to the public display too.
Oh, this is so embarrassing, Dad. There must be enough fireworks ready to get started.
All right. Just give me 10 minutes to do a safety check then.
I hate to say this, but if this doesn't start soon, we won't make the public display.
Right, safety check number 1. Make sure you've screwed down the rigging.
Dad, please.
OK, then. Let's just do it. Hit it, Hannah.
The Firework King strikes again!
really is awesome, Dad. Just awesome.
Worth the wait.
Oh, yes. They're perfect.
Oh, no. I really should have done that safety check.
Quick! Get the kids to safety and take cover.
Hannah!
This way, Hannah! Over here!
Dad!
Better call the fire station.
An out-of-control skyburner has set fire to the Floods house and surrounding area.
An out-of-control skyburner has set fire to the Floods house and surrounding area.
Penny, you head to the Flood's house. We'll deal with any other blazes, but we'll need Saturn to pinpoint the locations.
Roger that, Sam.
Launching Saturn now. There's a group of fires in the northeast woods, Sam. Roger that, Elvis. On our way.
Over there! Joe and Mike are trapped inside.
We're on it.
Come on, guys. Stay low and let's get you out.
Let's get this fire under control. You two blast the main blaze before it spreads. I'll tackle the smaller fires.
Dad!
Hey!
Oh, Dad! I was so worried.
We're all clear at the Floods house, Sam. What's your situation?
Everything's under control here, Penny.
I'm so sorry. I rushed the assembly of my pyrotechnic launcher module 2000, and I didn't have time for the final safety check.
No, it's my fault for being so impatient, Dad. I should have given you more time. It would have been worth the wait.
Well, however good it was, the safest way to enjoy fireworks is at an organised public display.
But we've missed that now.
Oh, no, you haven't. If you hurry, you may just catch the start.
Can we go, Dad?
Of course we can.
Great! I will get to see two displays after all. And hopefully, these fireworks will be where they belong. Up in the sky.
Whoa!
Whoa!
They're nearly as good as yours, Dad.